Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you fill up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pon me ya, say she give me pon me ya. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I they think so. Any man them me looking at they think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pon me yard, see me pon me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me filler wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you fill up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them are watching. They are free of my daughter. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga, say she want another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you fill up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pon me ya, say she give me pon me ya. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I they think so. Any man, them me looking at they think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pon me yard, see me pon me yard.
It took me like forever to post this video. This is my lupus. As you can see, I don't even have no makeup on. I was not caring because my lupus has been like really out of whack. And I was like, let me hurry up and get this video out. Like, these are just my lupus scars. And yeah, see. But anyways, back to what I was saying about the hair. The video where I was plucking the hair, I did that probably like a week ago. when I initially got the wig, and then I got super sick from my lupus, so I didn't get to finish it. But this is how I do my I just do the cap method. Nothing spectacular when it comes to what I do with the cap. The wig still looks nice. I've only worn it a couple of times. It's, you know, it still looks the same. I haven't really did nothing to it. And then I'm not really good at showing on camera because I've never even did this before. Let's see. Hold on. I forgot my brush. Hold on. Okay. So, like, when I put the wig on, you know, it still kind of looked a little weird because I didn't customize it a lot because I didn't want it to be too customized. Because one thing you don't want to do is over customize a synthetic wig, is because, I mean, or any wig, honestly, because once you start doing the baby hairs a lot, they're going to start to customize more and more. I mean, and that's in my opinion, after whatever, because I spent like $400 on a wig before, and, you know, it starts to thin just like a synthetic wig would. You know, so you can't really overcompensate. It's not that big of a deal if it doesn't look the best. When I first started, I had a game night, so I didn't really get to save the hair I plucked from the first video because I cleaned up really good. Excuse me. But yeah, so I just, like, you see how that is, and then just bring it forward just a little bit. Oh. You know, it's like, it is synthetic. It doesn't knot or anything. This is just for me, like, not taking care of it because I was trying to get stuff cleaned up and situated and all that. So, and then you always can use like a thinner comb. I had just braided my hair, so this is the only comb I have right now. Let's see. Like, now, you see, like, the parts are not as in depth as the other wig. Wrong side. And I did notice that this cap does seem to be a little bit bigger. Or when I did wear that other wig, I was on a lot of prednisone, so it may have swelled my head. But it just seems like this one is a little bit, like, goes to this end, and then it also does come to this end. So, you know, it must be a little bit larger, or my head shrunk. So I'm going with the head shrunk thing, but you never know. So let me know in the comments if you feel like this one is bigger, if you also have retrieved it. I did cut this little piece up, but I don't even know where the heck I cut it, so I'm just gonna leave that alone for now.
The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Can you feel up my fantasy? Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me out, say she give me, pour me out. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my wine in them, me grinding at the think so. Any man, them me looking at the think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the think so. Girl, pour me out, say me pour me out. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Aye. Man a wine, say she give me for me, you say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place, enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain, the only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them and watch it. They are pretty bad man. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
Alright, guys, girls, whatever, you know, like, basically this is what I do. It does take me like a little bit longer to customize the side, but I don't do too much to the sides because I let it get kind of old, and not old, but like just not as new, and it's more flexible. And like I said, the more you do the gel on them or whatever, you know, they're going to loosen up and become more like real edges, you know. So like I just do a little bit at a time, and then you know, over time they look more realistic. I do like this wig. I did get it from Sam's Beauty Supply. Remember that. This video is not sponsored, but I do love it. It sheds a little bit since I cut it, but the wig doesn't have like a whole bunch of shedding or tangling. It's just tangled right now because of how I was handling the wig over the week. Yeah, it's very flowy. I like that the curls are big because I don't wear them big like that, but when I brush them out like this, they look good. See, like if they were more of a wave, that, I mean, if they were already like this, when I brushed them, they would like basically be done a lot quicker because it is a synthetic wig. So, you know, it makes it a lot easier. You always can cut more baby hair on the side and stuff. I like the ear because my head is like large, so I like to have my sides out a little bit so it shows more dimension to my face a little bit, so it doesn't make my face look boxy and big when I wear longer hair. This is my first time doing this type of video, so let me know if you do not like it, or let me know if I'm not giving enough detail, or you know, if I'm just not showing you enough, because I was trying to figure out how to show you and stuff. But yeah, next time for sure I will have all the little hair to show you how much I did pluck out. But I didn't pluck out that much because it is synthetic, but I did pluck out enough to where, you know, I'm able to, you know, see it a little bit, but it's able to like, cause all, like, see how this is parted right here, like if I part it all the way across, it'll look all the same because I cut the hair. It came with a lot of baby hair, but I don't like a lot of baby hair, so I dang, what the heck, I just thin it out with the razor I use for my eyebrows. Yeah, but basically, let me know. Sorry my video's taking so long. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Now you be the only one I see.